Good day, teachers. Ayan, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so this is part 2 of our MS Form series. And for this topic, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to share our forms, our Microsoft Forms, yung quiz na ginawa natin. And we're going to also explore the settings. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung part 1, I'm going to, ayan, dito sa taas na yan, click the link down below, or eto, click nyo na lang dito para makita nyo or papanood nyo yung part 1 natin for this series. So, punta tayo sa setting. Eto, yung tatlong dots na yan. So, we're going to proceed to setting. Ayan. Now, we have here option for quiz, show result automatically. If it is turned on, okay, your students or yung respondents, they will be receiving the course immediately. Mache-checkan agad yung paper nila or yung form nila. Now, if you don't want to have any leakage, ayan, turn off natin. Ayan, let's proceed to who can fill out this form. So, dito, meron tayong dalawang option. Dalawang option na to, anyone with the link can respond. Okay? Ayan. So, dito hindi na nila kailangan mag-register, hindi na nila kailangan mag-login. Okay? Hindi na nila kailangan ilagay yung names nila. Basta may link sila, they can proceed to answering it. You can use this if you want to have a formative assessment. Parang seatwork lang or homework na graded. So, they can answer that immediately. Next, proceed tayo sa, dito naman sa only people in my organization can respond. Ito, yung mga makakapag-access lang nito is yung may link, at the same time may account sa Office 365 or may account sa Outlook. Okay, so we have the option to record the name, so they can type their name, and also yung one response per person. So, if you're going to check that, isang beses lang nila pwedeng sagutan yung test. Next, punta naman tayo sa option for responses, accept responses, ayan, ayan. We can turn the start date, ayan, kung kailan tayo magsisimula, and end date, kung kailan matatapos yung test. I mean, kung kailan mag-e-expire yung quiz or yung formative assessment. Next, we have the option to shuffle the questions. Ayan, if you want to shuffle the questions, ayan, halo-halo siya, ayan. So, next, we have to customize thank you message. So, your response was submitted, or we can edit that. Your response was submitted. Ayan, thank you for answering. Ayan, okay. Tapos, we can email receipt to respondents. Ayan. So, if you turn this on, may lalabas dun sa button nila if they have a copy of their response. Ayan. Pero, if it is a summative assessment or formative assessment, I advise you not to check this kasi makikita nila yung questions, pwede na magkaroon ng leakage. So wag na lang. And dito, get notification of each response. So dito, ikaw, teacher, if you want to see kung sino na yung nagsagot, ayan, you can check this. Okay, now kung ayos na yung setting natin or yung settings natin, we can now proceed to sharing. Ayan, i-share natin. Now, to share this, we can just copy the form or the link, etong link na yan, okay, copy, tapos i-paste natin siya to our group page or to your platform or LMS or kung saan man yung platform niyo. Ayan, pwede rin natin siyang i-download using our QR code, and we can also place it in our website. Ayan, ito yung code niya. Tapos pwede rin natin siyang i-email. Ayan. So, marami tayong option sa email. Meron tayong Outlook. Meron tayong Gmail, Yahoo Mail, PayPal, and so on. So, we're just going to copy the link and then share it to all the platforms or to our platform or platforms na ginagamit natin. And also, syempre, mas maganda kung ayusin muna natin yung setting bago natin isend sa mga students natin para maayos at hindi na tayo kailangan mag-edit-edit pa. So, ganun lang kasimple and very, very user-friendly ang ating Microsoft Forms. And if you have any questions or concerns, please message me or lagay nyo sa comment natin, sa comment section natin below. And that's part 2. And for part 3 naman, we're going to answer paano natin ipopost or i-share sa kanila or paano nila malalaman yung scores nila. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you learned a lot from this video, and give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please check my channel, Teacher Justin. And that's it for today. Goodbye, thank you, God bless, and stay safe. See you in my next video. Part 2. And that's part 2 of our